In this video, I will be showing you how to use Rythm bot on Discord. First, you need to make sure that you're logged into your Discord account. Now go to your Google web browser and type this, and then tap the first one that appears. It says Discord bots. Tap this one, and then it will take you directly to this website. Now you have to scroll down and look for Rythm, or you can just search it right here. Okay, so type Rythm and it will appear. So all you have to do is to tap. Tap the fifth one, and once you tap this one, it will take you directly to this. Now click any server or your server, tap continue, and then tap authorize. So also check this I am human. And then you just have to answer this one. I mean, a verification that you're human. And then once done, click verify. And you can exit this and go to your Discord account. As you can see, this is it. This is the Rythm bot. So it will show up right here at the top left corner. One of the most well-liked music bots on Discord right now is called Rythm. High sound quality, stability, and use are this app's key strengths. The popular music streaming service YouTube, SoundCloud, Twitch, Bandcamp, Spotify are all played by the bot. Furthermore, Rythm offers a premium service that gives you access to superior audio quality, volume control options, extra audio effects, autoplay options, and personal favorite, the always playing feature, which lets you blast music continuously. So all you have to do is to tap this pod and you can avail or you can use these features. I hope this tutorial helped you and thank you so much for watching. See you again in our next video tutorials.